All right, so we made it to Krabi, and of course we wanted to try out some of the local southern cuisine here that Thailand has to offer, and Krabi has a little bit of a different way to try that out than in Phuket. They have a handful of different night markets. Here in the first night market, the Onang Land Night Market, it's right off the beach here in Onang in Krabi, and it is a little bit more of a modern take on a traditional Thai food night market, but they have some really cool looking options. We can't wait to dig into some delicious food.
We do garlic butter and chili paste, have spicy and non-spicy.
So seafood is king here in the south of Thailand naturally. We're all surrounded by water, so we're gonna basically load up on seafood here tonight, and I think Gokche and I have come to the agreement that that's not a bad way to start our food tour here. So there's a whole seafood bucket that we're gonna eat called Tali Ita, I believe is the way to pronounce it right, as well as mussels that they load up with like cheese and garlic. It looks so freaking delicious. This plate looks freaking incredible. Check out how much seafood is in here.
We saw them using blowtorch on these mussels, and it just looks amazing. And if you haven't seen on our Turkish street food video, we express our mussel love very much so, but this is different than the stuffed mussels, of course. This is the cheese mussels, and I've never ever tried something like this before, so I'm very excited. And sorry, Stu, I think I'm gonna start first.
Standard. Go for it.
Wow. I don't know why we weren't eating as many seafood before, but this is amazing. You can of course taste the whole cheese, but the mussel at the same time, cheese is not overpowering mussel, so I feel like they're like equally dancing together with that amazing taste. I couldn't taste the spice because I guess I didn't put enough in the first try. Wow, amazing. You guys did a really good job on this. It tastes amazing.
They actually were so friendly, they are now filming us. I'm sorry, what is your name?
Money.
Money?
Money.
Money, oh, her name's Money.
Money.
So I guess that means we're gonna have to pay for this amazing food after, but that's all, of course, but they're so friendly here. You absolutely have to try this out if you make it to Ao Nang, the night market here. I'm gonna dig in because finally Gokche's been eating all this.
Yeah, and Money's behind the camera.
Not so spicy, but it's so delicious. It's not overly salty. The cheese is really, really perfect with it. I wasn't expecting that to be in the case.
It tastes amazing. I don't even want him to eat more. I may order another one of this Money. You made it so well. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for this amazing chef. Thank you.
Welcome to Ao Nang Landmark.
So here we have this amazing seafood bucket. It is looking incredible. All right, time to dig in. Wow, I don't know what sauce they use. First it makes you feel like you're eating a tomato sauce, but then it kind of like mixes with the different flavor that they put in, and just like towards the end of your chewing and eating, it becomes a very different taste. So many different herbs in it. I have no idea what they use, but this is just so good. What sauce did you put in this?
Garlic butter and chili paste.
That's it?
Yep.
No tomato sauce?
No.
Wow. I'm not gonna share this food with you. I think I'm just gonna eat it myself.
Everything has just been cooked perfectly. It's been one of my favorite meals I've had since we've been here, honestly. It's that good.
We had a little bit more room to eat one more dish, so we asked Money what we should eat as the third course for tonight, and she said papaya salad, and here we decided to try that one as well. And they made it freshly right in front of us. They mixed so many beautiful ingredients and put a lot of effort. I can't wait to try. Very light. Oh, but it's very spicy. Wow, the second hit. It straight went through my nose, and it's just like spicy, super spicy. But I love it, so no complaints here. And I said, please make it Thai spicy, so you know, kind of I dig my own grave.
So this Ao Nang night market is the perfect spot to come after a long day on the beach. There's a few places to shop actually as well, but the food here is incredible. This is gonna be one of the most memorable meals here that we had in the entirety of Thailand. No joke. We're gonna go take it easy for the rest of the night, digest this tremendous meal, and we're gonna pick it up tomorrow. Have a little bit different style Thai food here in Krabi area. Another night in the Krabi area, another food market. This is the Onang Mosque Halal Food Market here nearby to our hotel. We're gonna keep this short and sweet though, because we're right on a main street. The market is set up right in front of a mosque, and it gets a little bit loud because of the main street. In Thailand, we were not expecting this big of a Muslim population in the south of Thailand, and they have a lot of their own halal food that is kind of a subsect of Thai food, a lot of similarity, but you know, of course, no pork in their food. So got chicken kebabs and a spicy chicken and seafood, I believe shrimp salad that we're gonna dig into, and Gökçe is really excited about the kebab, of course.
Wow, this is love at first sight. It looks incredible. I think they put some ketchup in it. It's also a spicy sauce they put because my mouth is burning at the same time. We ordered chicken and shrimp salad, and we realized that in Thailand, when you say you want to order salad, they don't necessarily put any veggies in it. It has a lot of chicken and shrimp instead of a regular salad items.
I saw a little bit of carrot and onion in there.
And I saw one tomato. That's a success. So we were thinking about eating a salad as an extra in addition to our kebab. Now there's another whole entree of chicken and shrimp, but no complaints here because more food is always good than less food. Pretty good. When she was making the sauce, she made me try the sauce to see if it's too spicy for us. It's never too spicy for Steve and I.
There's definitely got some noticeable spice to this one, and it's really, really good. I think I found like maybe one other tomato in here besides what Gökçe found. So all that food was just 280 baht with our smoothie drinks as well. Super delicious halal food here in Onang in Thailand. We have more food to eat tomorrow night in the Krabi Town night market. So we will see you over in Krabi Town in just a little bit. All right, we are continuing our Krabi food market tour right here in Krabi Town with the weekend night food market. So we were able to get here on a Friday and explore the whole of Krabi Town. There's everything within a few kilometers of each other, so it's a great way to just kind of get around, see what there is in Krabi, and then come here for some delicious food at the night market. But now is the main course. Now is the Krabi night food market. Let's get going.
I've never tried pickled seafood before, and I was pretty surprised finding here they have pickled salmon, pickled shrimp, and pickled crab, and this is definitely something we've never tried. She says this is the best, so we're gonna try in a small cup right now.
Wow. We did a classic to go with the pickled shrimp and salmon, of course kapow, and we got it actually with fish curry, which, let's eat. This gai pao smells amazing. I love food with eggs, so that really caught my eye right off the bat, and to try it with fish curry for the first time, really pumped.
I just love pickles, so I ordered pickles because of my love for pickles, but I have no idea the proper way to eat this. It smells so good, oh my god. They put some peppers on it and like a little seeds on it, and I never ever had seafood pickle before. This is going to be a very memorable experience for me. They also put some garlic on it. She's like, do you want this? Alright, do you want this? And before we even answer, she just kept putting. So I'm gonna try with the salmon because salmon, she said, is better. Honestly, it tastes like sushi without the rice. It doesn't give the very pickly, like sour taste so far for salmon, but maybe I'm not eating it right. Maybe I have to dip it in the sauce that she gave me. Alright, well, Steve said if I dip it into the sauce, it's gonna taste more like a picklish, so I'm gonna dare to do that.
That is very strong pickle smell. This is not so much. So I think what they do is they put it into the soy sauce, like so, with like chilies and like garlic and a whole host of other stuff, salmon, shrimp. They also have crab with the salmon first. And I'm sure I'm not gonna like this as much as Gökçe might. If you dip it into this pickle juice, it's not like strong like they soaked it in a jar of pickles strong, but it gives it a little pickle kick. And I agree with Gökçe. Eating the raw salmon definitely has a very sushi kind of reminder. This is definitely more of a Gökçe dish than a Steve dish. But I'm gonna try the shrimp first as well. The shrimp soaks it in better, I think, than the salmon does. This was 100 baht for this little tub. This guy over here, on the other hand, was 50 baht. So all in 150 baht for two main dishes here at the Krabi night market. Okay, time for the fish curry gai pao. Really excited about this. Got the green fish curry here, beautiful color, and a little bit of the rice, of course, because you gotta mix it up. That fish is so well cooked. It's so soft, just melts away in your mouth.
Fish curry has been the real game. I really like it, but this is not my favorite. Steve is more like a curry person. I like the pickle dish more, but this is really good, really good. Oh, live music started. Okay, let's do Nutella. Is it banana Nutella? Banana Nutella. Banana Nutella? Okay, 1 banana Nutella.
Ooh, Nutella.
Nutella banana roti.
Wow. It smells amazing and it's fresh, hot off the presses. Thanks you, Gökçe.
Smells so good. I wish I could just smell it and be fine with it, but I have to eat it because, you know, I can cry. It's so good. It's like warm banana and flour and Nutella. It's honestly better than waffle. This is made with more like natural sugar, which is like the warm banana, and of course, meeting the hotness, the warmth of the banana with Nutella. You can see the banana pieces even inside. Look at that. Wow, I can eat this by myself. I don't even know why I'm sharing with you, Steve. The background music is actually perfect because it's setting the mood of like delightfulness and fulfillment.
It's really freaking good. It's not as hot as when it first came over. Gökçe got all the really hot pieces and only 40 baht. Really good, really affordable food here at the Krabi Night Market. Under $10 for dinner and dessert. Pretty freaking awesome.
Well, you know, we were kidding. We have another dessert now, unexpectedly, because it was standing right here and it looks so good. Whenever I see coconut, I just can't resist it. So, gotta try to do it. Real good. Wow.
It's really impressive. They hollow out the coconut just like this. Ton of scoops of ice cream in there. So let's try it out. Fresh ice cream. The banana roti was good. This is the perfect dessert on a night like tonight. So refreshing. Such a perfect way to end our food tour here in Krabi Food Market. It's freaking delicious. So glad we decided to end our Krabi food tour here at the Krabi Food Night Market. The food was so delicious and it definitely has a lot more of a local side of Thailand. We're very glad we got to experience this beautiful music back and forth between English and Thai. But we have more of Krabi to show you before our next stop in Thailand. So stay tuned, subscribe, and we will see you on our next Krabi video. Thank you. Bye.
I'm enjoying this pool by myself. It is so nice, so warm, and I can't believe how clean this is in the middle of nature. And it seems like a very popular spot among Thai people as well.
Now it's time to explore Krabi's nature today.
The sunset is incredible. It's so beautiful here.